Hello, RPS Life Science students. How are you today? My name is Phyllis Wilson. I teach life science at Albert Hill Middle School, and I want to welcome you to this first week of virtual lessons in life science. This week, we'll be learning about LS6, as you can see, and LS8. So, what will these virtual lessons look like? We're going to include the 5 E's in each lesson. So those 5 E's, we'll talk about them and what they look like. On the first day of the week, which will be today, you'll do the first 5 E's. The first one is engage, and the second one is explore. And when I say engage, what we're going to do is we're going to give you some videos to observe. Sometimes it might be that you need to go outside and do a little bit of exploring or on the internet through these videos to see what you think about this new concept that's being introduced to you. What's your background knowledge on it? What what connects with you and it and your brain? Okay, so that's day one. And then on day two, we'll go to the third E, which is to explain. So in that case, you'll have another teacher video, and we'll come back in and we'll take some notes, go over some vocabulary that relate to this topic, and give you some very detailed information about what it means. This might also be done by watching some brain pot videos or by some Nearpod lessons or things like that, where you'll fill out some graphic organizers or take notes about this new concept. And then on the third day, you'll get to extend and evaluate. So when I say extend, what you're going to do is take this information that you've learned and try to apply it to a real world situation. And you'll do that by doing some virtual labs, which are super cool. Some of those might be done in gizmos or either at homes, also possible. And then the other thing that will happen after that is you'll get to evaluate your learning. Do you understand this new concept? And you'll be able to show that by completing a quizzes or this week, a Legends of Learning playlist. So we have a lot of things planned for you, and it should be an enjoyable week and an enjoyable experience. All right, so week one, we've got Takis, an apple, and a cheeseburger. All of those things look pretty tasty to me, but what do they have to do with life science? How do they relate to energy? Do they have anything to do with ecosystems, food chains, energy pyramids, food webs? That's something to think about. To get us started in thinking about that, here's what I want you to do today. Right after you watch this video, go ahead and watch the 2 videos that are linked and see what you think is going on there. Make some observations. And as you make your observations, you can type into your science student workbook 3 things that you see happening with your own eyes, 3 things that you notice occurring in these videos. And then 3 things that you think might be happening in these videos. And then take it a step further and jot down 3 things that you wonder about based upon this video. And after you get a chance to do that, check back in with us on Wednesday, and we'll talk about the things that did occur in that video and how they relate to LS6, which is energy flow in food chains, food webs, and energy pyramids. Let's make it a great week in life science. Thank you for joining us in this virtual learning, and I look forward to seeing you again on Wednesday. Now let's get to those observations.